Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. First, let's open the settings application, and here in connection section you will see the first section with the Wi-Fi switcher. Just to activate Wi-Fi you should click here once on the switcher. And after that also you can make it from here. Just after that you'll see here all the available networks. For example, let's use one from these networks. Here you should enter the password. If you want to see this password, click here once on this eye icon to handle some mistakes, and after that I'll just enter it out of screen. Now just click here to connect. Wait a second, and now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. By the same way, you can select more networks, enter the passwords, tap to connect, and after that you can switch between them. If you want to turn off the Wi-Fi, you should click here on the switcher once again, and that's it. Also, we can make it just by a second. We'll just first open notification panel shortcuts, and you'll see here the Wi-Fi icon. Just tap once on the icon to activate the Wi-Fi. If you wanna launch the Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while this icon, and after that you'll see here the same list with the networks. Just select the networks, enter the password, tap to connect, and to turn off the Wi-Fi you should click here once again on this icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.